There is a very important concept in Python, logical operator, specifically in conditional like concepts. So we have this logical operators. What does it means? So we have seen AND keyword and OR keyword. So both of them are, like, we can say that logical operators. So there are many logical operator, like greater than, lesser than, or equal to, like equal to and greater, equal to and like lesser, and, or specifically one more thing we have here, not. This not keyword is also a logical operator. It will check, or it will see the logic either is true or not, or, well, not as itself as a keyword, as a logical operator keyword, is a reserved keyword. So not means something in Python, and Python interpreter will consider this as a very special keyword. So we know that logical operators are these things, or, and, greater, lesser, means like we have something like not equal to, many majority of them, like we have these things. Now I have something here on text editor. There is some things I have printed. Well, I just check what will be the output on the console. True, false, false, true, true. Like true is equal to 1, empty string is equal to 1, empty list is equal to 1, 10 as integer is equal to 10 point like 0, and empty string, empty list is equal to empty list. Well, it is true. Well, true is equal to 1 is true, as I said that true as in truity values and truity and falsy lecture. An empty string is not equal to 1. It will true as falsy. An empty list is not even equal to 1, and 10 is equal to 10.0. Well, this is a float and it is an integer. An empty list is equal to empty list. Well, that's true. So we have seen this logical operator here, like it will check either that's true or false, or these conditions are met or not. Well, along this we have something else as well. Like, let me totally copy this. I want to print this here, and I want to print something like there should be some difference, and here I just want to have is 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 this keyword as keyword. Now let's print this. We have some, well, error as well, like false, 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 and false. All of them are false. Well, why it like prints the fall? Like, let me clear this and once again. Well, this false means that is just focus, or will have like talk about the location and in memory, both of them, either both of them are in same place or not, in same location or not. As I said, that every variable or everything takes some memory, some space. There is some location in the memory they have. Well, as will check both of them in the same memory, either it's true or not. It will check. If it is true, it will print. If it's not true, it does not. So they are not in the same space. Like, for example, let's have this 1. Okay. Well, yeah, That's true. The second one is true because both of them are in the same location in the memory. Well, the Python interpreter just consider this as in the same location. That's why it throws as, well, true. Every one of them as false, it will not consider it. So for example, let me have this 10 as 10. Either it's true or not. Well, yeah, it's true. It is also true. So basically, the Python interpreter will check the location of each one of them. It doesn't care about the data type. It doesn't care about the, well, it checks, it will check. So everything. So this is very important video, and you have to understand this logical operator in Python.